Well, I was just checking on the other side and something just caught my eye, which is a bit concerning. I don't know if you can see this on camera, but actually there is a big stain here. Oh god, which just doesn't look right. And I just cannot tell you how worried and scared I am, and I was not thinking of, but I'm probably gonna take all these walls down and just to check what's behind, cause
But before we start, let me introduce myself. I'm Martin, and the next couple of months I'll be renovating this 40-year-old caravan, taking it all apart and then putting it back together, making it fully off-grid. This is going to be an experience full of unexpected surprises, costly repairs and many trials and errors. Make sure to follow my journey while transforming this caravan into my dream mobile home on wheels.
morning, guys. So while I'm drinking my tea, I'm gonna tell you what is the plan for today, and that is to start with the caravan interior and rip off almost everything. Yeah, I just have to get down to it, and especially I want to remove all the vinyl, all the this plywood-ish floor. Okay, so so before starting with anything, I have to level the caravan, which I'm gonna use this tool. These things here, levelers or whatever, stabilizers, I don't know how they are called, and you just use them to stabilize the caravan. Okay. Okay. And now let's do the front. Проверка или какво? So
Always going one way or another.
So when I was pulling that gas top stove ovens, gas stops, whatever that thing is called, I realized that the whole system is still connected to the gas bottle, because this is not a genuine gas bottle. It's a genuine gas bottle, but it's for a car, not for a caravan, and not a regular one that you have at your home. And I've got no idea how to disconnect this thing. То не се вижда, ама е на нулата. В смисъл, даже е под нулата.
Врътка. Ето трябва да е врътката за затваряне, за техния ние, ако не е затегната.
Ами тук долу има друга обаче.
Да, стои едното вход, другото изход.
After a quick call with my dad on WhatsApp, but this thing is still I can smell the gas, but yeah, we checked all connections. I think I have to try to disassemble it from the Caravan, which that would be very interesting. I should try to lose these and hopefully be able to remove it. Oh.
So now that I saw that I couldn't get it from inside, I'm gonna try to remove it from the outside. Ah, finally. It should go. That's not coming out. I think you already know it. If something don't come out the way it's supposed to be, it will come out one way or another. I should have said something about this tool. This is probably maybe the greatest inventions in Bulgarian tools, hardware tools. I don't know how it's called in English, but in Bulgarian we call this Tesla. It's like the car, but it's yeah, it sounds similar. But this is better. It has the potentials of a hammer, but at the same time, using this thing, you can destroy pretty much everything. And also, my grandma used this in the garden when she can make the hole to put the plant or the veggies in the garden. So it has multi-purpose, which the Tesla does not, so it's better.
So I've got really bad news. Yeah, it seems that there has been water leaks, which I was really scared about, and I was hoping not to deal with such things, but unfortunately, as you can see, if I rip this whole thing up, you can see that there was some leaks here, and yeah, that's pretty bad. You can see. Unfortunately, I have to do this, and sadly, I don't know how bigger the damages could be. Oh. Yeah. Hey guys, so Martin from the future. So watching at these footages right now, it did really brought some emotions. It was a lot, I'm telling you, it was a lot, and that's why I'm making this type of videos, because I'm telling you, that day I really felt that I'm going to scrap it all off and I'm just gonna give up, because of finding so many damages, because of the water leaks that went inside the caravan, destroyed the floor, the ceiling, the walls, and all of that. I just start realizing that would take a serious repair, and I didn't know that I would be able to make it happen. Yeah, the only option that I had back then was just to sit down to try to do my research, which I did. I find out a good sourcing, I find out good materials, which I bought in order to replace the old and pretty much destroyed parts on the walls, on the ceiling. I had some discussions with my dad how we can rearrange things, how we can manage to replace the really weakened spots of the caravan. And yeah, that really helped. I mean, I just took a little time to process everything, and yeah, that really helps. So yeah, because this video had never an ending, because of the endless treasures that I kept finding in this caravan, digging into the floor, into the walls, into the ceiling. I'm just made one right now, and yeah, because it's way longer and because there is way more things to clear up, I'm gonna see you in the part 2 of this disassembling or clearing video or whatever this is. So yeah, I hope you liked it, and I'm gonna see you in the next video next week. Bye for now.